same, especially yung mga young actors. Pero kahit sa singing, ganun din eh. There was a time, or maybe there's a time na lahat, they're trying to sound like Moira.
Yeah, I agree.
What's your comment on that, sir?
Well, hindi natin may iwasan kasi everyone is, kumbaga nag-iisip, what should be the direction, the type of songs na gagawin niya na record. And she was very lucky, tinamaan niya yung tunog na gano'n. And everybody, especially mga female artists, they wanted to be like Moira, yung kanilang tunog. So, ako hindi ko masisisi, and it's always the industry, sila yung nag-a-accept na music, na kung bakit sila rin na nagpapasikat. So, it's yung nakikinig, yung music industry counts a lot para kung sino yung gagawin nilang sikat. Like one good example, Beanie started I think 2021, matagal na. Halos susuko na yung mga yan because of dumaan yung pandemic, mahirap. Pero talagang pag merong talent na merong laman yung artist, eh talagang tatamaan yan. So, ako, I'm proud to say na being a Filipino, may katulad nila, Beanie, SB19, who were able to penetrate the music industry, not only here in the Philippines, but in-embrace ng international market.
So, naiintindihan niyo po, wala kayong, minsan hindi niyo ba naisip na gusto niyo silang pagyan, huwag na kayong magkopyahan?
Well, copying is not exactly copying kasi, but yung tinatawag na trend is completely hindi mo maiiwasan. But me, ayoko rin exactly the same, pero siguro a flavor, something like, sound like something like, but it should be what you create or write another song for an artist, dapat meron siyang identity. Yung kanta namin, My Boy, wala naman kaming katulad na pinagayahan. So, ibig sabihin, iniisip namin mabuti na ma-own ng artist yung song na nire-record niya.
Thank you. Question ko kay Shane.